Hello everyone. Recently I created one of project that is a serverless API application. You can see this is my GitHub repo where I uploaded code. So this is a microservice where where I mul where I integrated multiple AWS services and created one microservice. So you can clearly see from this diagram that this is hosted on AWS cloud and it is restricted to one region. So in this API application, I use API gateway, Lambda function, DynamoDB as a database, and we define IAM roles for Lambda to get permitted DynamoDB and API gateway to communicate between them, and we use Swagger as a API based template. And in this project we are going to perform CRUD uh, operation. So these are the methods we are going to use to, to communicate between the API gateway. uh, API gateway provide a link that is publicly accessible. Let's see directly on AWS console. Let me log in. Okay, API gateway. It took me 30 plus minutes to set up this. So in this video, I am not going to set up full application again. So directly I will demonstrate this. So when the client request method that is integrated with a Lambda integration enabled, that is enabled there. So for testing purpose, then we received it in response to the client. Okay, so we created multiple operations here using multiple methods of REST API. So let's move to stages. Here we get a API link that is a publicly available web link. You can see this missing authentication token. Looks, yeah, you can see we have already inserted data, available data, that is a 6 entries are there. So for testing purpose, we can't do testing from here. We can, but it is going to be complicated. So we use Postman tool. So let's start with the Postman get method. Missing authentication. Sorry, I insert there books. So let's list all available application. Sorry, I haven't mentioned that this application is going to be like IMDb application where we get ratings. This is a rating application where people are going to give rating to this application by inserting their name. Okay, so let's get demonstrate. As we have count 6, so let's add something. body, select a raw and a JSON format. Okay, this is a unique ID, sorry, unique key that is unique for each entry. So we have 6, so we give it 7 and change another name with love by changing author name. Achal, yeah, Prashant. Rating will be 5. Let's see. Yeah, you can see that 200 status means it is added. So let's check. That is a 7. 7 means let's check 7. Entry number 7. Yeah, you can see this normal entries. Yeah, we get a count of 7 means 7 entries. Last time we got 6. This time 7 means you can see this love, book name love by Acharya Prashant with the 7 number. So let's update this by using put method. What we have to update, just book name. Name of book Maya. You can clearly see 200 status and book name is updated as Maya. You can see this love is updated with Maya. Okay, let's try to delete delete this entry. 204 means it demonstrates that content is deleted. Let's see whether it is available or not. Yes, it is deleted. We only get count of 6 means that 7th entry is deleted. So this is how our application is working. As I created a microservice that is a serverless API application, and in future videos I will integrate this with another microservice that is a cognitive authentication method, or we can use their Lambda function authentication. So in next video, I will integrate this microservice with another microservice. So I am going to end this video here. Still tuned. Bye.